Hello friends, we are come up with the question number 11. A stone of a mass 2 kg is projected upward with a kinetic energy of 98 joule. The height at which the kinetic energy of a stone becomes half of its original value is given by. So first of all, we'll take the initial of the kinetic value half mu square. U square will take it, and here we put the kinetic energy value, which is a 98. After putting it, we have u square is equal to 98. Don't take the square root. We'll further put into the variables of upcoming process of equation. Okay, so we go for a v square u square plus 2 as the equation of the motion. Here a is equal to minus g. Why? Because because the stone is thrown upward. If a stone is thrown upward, so it will be come against the gravity. Gravity is this side, and that's why it is the minus. Okay, and here distance will become height because it is thrown with a height, and that's why when it's come down, its final velocity will be 0. So that's why it is 0. After solving, we have this h, and we will put the u square value what we had, we put here, and g value 9.8. We have h equal to 5 meter. We have the height now. Now go for a further equation. Kinetic energy is equal to half m u square. Instead of u square, we'll put 2 gh, and after it is equation 2, take it as equation 2, and change in there is new kinetic energy and new velocity, and here we have new height and new kinetic energy. This will be the equation 2. Divide equation 3 by 2, we get this equation, and here it is given like kinetic energy of a stone become half of its original value. So its original value is half. K is the original value. It is a k nu, kinetic energy news. So we put here k dash value here. So we have this. So we had the h value here. So we'll put here, and we had the answer. We have answered, and this is the answers of this particular question. So look at once.